You wake up early. You drink your water, stretch, maybe even journal. You check off your morning routine like a disciplined machine. And yet, by 2 p.m., you feel empty. Your energy's gone. Your focus is scattered. And you're wondering, I did everything right. So why do I still feel tired, anxious, and unmotivated? Here's the truth: you're productive. Morning routine might be the very thing draining you. You see, we've been fed this idea that a perfect morning equals a perfect day. Wake up early, meditate, read, exercise, cold shower. Boom, success. But that mindset has a hidden trap, because the goal quietly shifts from feeling grounded to performing perfection. Instead of connecting with your day, you start racing it. Instead of building calm focus, you build pressure. And when that pressure stacks up every morning, it doesn't give you power, it drains it. So today, let's talk about how your so-called productive mornings might actually be setting you up to fail, and how to fix it without throwing away your habits. Point 2. You confuse activity with alignment. We love to do. Wake up and check your phone, read something inspiring, make a to-do list. It feels good because it's movement, but not all movement moves you forward. If your habits aren't aligned with how you actually feel that morning, they stop being growth, they become noise. For example, maybe you journal every day, but lately you just copy what you wrote yesterday. It's not reflection, it's repetition. Or maybe you do a cold shower every morning, but it doesn't wake you up anymore. It just makes you resent the day. Your body knows when you're doing something out of guilt instead of growth. And when that happens, your routine stops fueling you. It drains you. So here's the test: ask yourself, is this habit helping me feel more alive or more obligated? That one question can save your energy for what actually matters. Point 3. You fill your mornings but empty your mind. We pack our mornings with habits that look good on paper: affirmations, audiobooks, gratitude lists. But when was the last time you just sat in silence? No phone, no playlist, no 5-minute meditation app, just you and your thoughts. Most people can't do it, because silence exposes what's really going on inside, and that's uncomfortable. So we fill it with productive noise. But here's the paradox: real clarity doesn't come from adding more. It comes from less. A quiet mind can handle a loud world. A noisy morning, it creates chaos before the day even begins. Try this: instead of stacking more habits, remove one. See how it feels to have space. You might realize your mind's been begging for it. Point 4. You forget the purpose of a morning. Your morning isn't about proving discipline. It's about preparing your mind for the day ahead. A lot of people start their day trying to be unstoppable. But what if you just tried to be present? The most powerful mornings aren't the most structured. They're the most intentional. They have rhythm, not rigidity. They give you energy, not anxiety. So instead of asking, what should I do in my morning routine? Ask, how do I want to feel today? Do you want calm? Then stretch in silence. Do you want power? Then move your body. Do you want clarity? Then write what's in your head. Honestly, not perfectly. When you design your morning around feelings, not formulas, you stop draining your energy trying to be productive and start naturally becoming productive. So here's the takeaway. A great morning isn't about how much you do. It's about how much peace you keep. It's not a checklist. It's a conversation with yourself. If your routine leaves you exhausted, it's not discipline, it's depletion. Simplify, breathe, do less, but with more presence. Because productivity without peace is just burnout with better branding. If this message hit you, take a second to pause. Think about what part of your morning might be draining you. And in the comments, share one habit you're going to change or let go of. If you found value here, give this video a like. It helps more people find it. Subscribe for more mindset truths like this. And remember, your best morning isn't the one that looks perfect. It's the one that feels real.